Hello children, welcome to the craft session. Today we will make jewelry. Simple jewelry with the help of waste material from home. Children, see what we need to make jewelry. It is specially for Navratri. You can gift it to your mother or your relative to wear. See what we need. We need Fevicol, cloth of any color. I choose white because all the color look good with white. For making pendant and earring, we need 3 pieces of paper, little bit thick paper. See, I cut it square, 1 big and 2 same size for earrings. Colors for making design, scissor, paintbrush and dory. Any dory. I have red and black dory in my home, so I will use it. So let's start to make. How we will make? See carefully. You will love it. First, I will put Fevicol on the paper. I'll put Fevicol all the portion nicely, so it will fix with the cloth. Little spread it with the help of your finger. You have to spread it. See how I am spreading? Yeah. Nicely we have to paste it all the corners also. Now I will put it on my cloth. Okay? See? Now I will cut the cloth. Children, to paste with Fevicol take time. So you have to give it 1 day to properly paste it on the cloth. See? Now extra portions I will cut. Now I will paste Fevicol on other side of the hardboard and then again spread it with the help of finger. See how I am pasting? I will paste it. Little press will paste. You can see and do. It is very simple and easy to paste. Okay children, now extra portions I will paste again. These portions I will put Fevicol and again I will paste the portions. Children, you can see how I pasted white cloth on pendant and earrings. Now I took red and black dory also for thread. You can take as long as you want to make your jewelry. Okay? See? Okay, now I will decorate it. How will I decorate? Let's see. Children, see, I took bindis. It is little black shade. It will look good. I will paste it here. You can take whatever you have in your home and you think that it will look good. I took it because I have enough bindis and black and white combination looks very good, so I am pasting it. Children, I pasted bindis on my pendant and earring. See, it's already look very nice. Now I will color it. I will use red because my combination of dories is red and black, so it will look good. You can use your favorite color. See, I am putting back side of the brush and I will make dots because dots look good with traditional wear and also western. So let's see what we can make. It's fun to make jewelry, right? And color it as per your dress also, which you will wear. You can make combination like this. You can see how I painted. I also use yellow color. See closely. Yellow color, so it will look little glossy. But I made it simple because I want to give a look of authenticity. My jewelry should be authentic, so I'm not put too many colors. Let's see what we have to do now. We have to paste this dory on the pendant. Before that we have to roll it. We have to roll it. How we will roll? See, I'm rolling. You can see I'm curving it and I hold from this. So it is rolling properly. और उसको खींचते जाना. You have to round up the thread and hold it like this. Slowly it will be rounded up. Okay children, now I will paste it both corners. I will paste here in the back side, but not now because it is not dried up. Design is not dried up, so I will paste it later. My dory is ready. Now I will paste it. For that I need a paper. Put the paper and then put Fevicol on the paper properly. Each and every corner, downside, and then sprinkle it properly. Spread it and put your pendant here. And then what we have to do? We have to put more Fevicol here to stick, to paste the dory. See, I will see the end point and then middle. Give it time, it will take time, and then after pasted we will cut this portion. Children, see, now see how I'm making pendant. See here also in the back side I posted paper to fix both things, jhumkas and the dory. Now how will I make pendant? I put gum Fevicol on a paper and then pasted two small dories, black and red, and then I will put it here. Same way I will do it, and then I will cut it, and I will put this to make pendant, sorry, earring. See children, my jewelry making is finished. See, so in that way you can also make. और ज्वेलरी जितना सजाओ कम पड़ेगा. तो if you have anything in your home to put, you can put and you can make your own way. Process should be same. Design may be different as per your convenience. Bye. Thank you.